Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Google Play Store on your Google TV. So if you're under the app section, you're not going to be able to find the actual Google Play Store. So what you want to do is go up to the top, go all the way to the right, and just go to search. Then go down and type in Play Store under here. So let's just type in Play Store manually, and we should be able to get it to pop up when we do this. So, and then we can also search for games under there. And on the main app store, there are no games listed. So once we have this on here, we can just go to search now, Play Store, search. And now we should be able to access this. So you can see Play Store on the top. I can see all these different apps. I can scroll on down. Here's the streaming apps. Then also there should be a section under here specifically for games. So we got the app categories. We got video players, editor, sports, productivity, business. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.